Refill Verizon Prepaid Phone. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to refill Verizon Prepaid Phone. So let's get started. First, log into your Verizon account on their website. Then select the refill option and complete the payment online. Now open the My Verizon application and go to your account and choose Refill for quick access. These are for application users. You can also use text option for this. Check Verizone's current instructions for the correct code to text from your phone to apply a refill. Then in-store or with a refill card option. For this, purchase a refill card or add funds at a Verizon store or an authorized retailer. You have an automated phone system option. For this, dial star 611 from your Verizon phone to use the automated refill system. If you need any help, contact Verizon customer support for assistance with any issues. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.